Santorini Part II. September is almost gone, but the memories of this beautiful island will stay alive forever in our hearts and in our minds. I visited Santorini just for a few days, but they were enough to feel relaxed and ready for the new season to start. The architecture of Santorini, whitewashed edifices, blue domes, candy-colored houses, and paved paths, blending perfectly with the spectacular surrounding, creating a jaw-dropping images that look like picture postcards. On top of that, it is a romantic heaven like no other, for all the views, idyllic locations, and sunset that fill visitors with ease. Santorini is the perfect place to unwind and have a dreamy holiday. Don't forget that it's known for the best sunset in the world. Talking about sunsets, stay until the end of this video to see how I capture the sunset from the caldera. In my channel I always share a recipe in every video. At Santorini Part I video I shared how to make Fava Santorinis. If you haven't watched it, I'll put the link up for your easy access. Today I'm making a carrot breadsticks and feta cheese mousse that is a perfect snack at any time of the day. The carrot dough is very easy to put together. I used the kitchen mixture and it was ready in no time. At the same time, you preheat the oven. And ready to roll some carrot breadsticks with my hands. I'll bake them just for a few minutes and wait for it. For the second batch, I had a little helper that made some really delicious breadsticks with your little hands. The feta mousse is super simple to put together, with simple ingredients like feta cheese, Greek yogurt, and spices of your choice. I use some salt, pepper, and dried oregano and thyme. Let's try. It is really tasty. They went so quickly, so I might double the quantity next time. To Santorini. All in all, Santorini is such a sought-after place because it has something for everybody. An abundance of attractions and activities, a combination of serenity and entertainment, and a tremendous natural beauty that make it hard to take your eyes from it. sunsets are really magic. Don't you think? See you soon!